Hello students, today we will be solving the IB Math A HL May 2025 paper 2 times on 1 question number 5. You will be getting the solutions for the first 4 questions from this paper and the solutions for the other questions from the other past papers in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math A HL level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve the question number 5. The maximum mark is 6. Consider the function h of x equal to 15 cos pi x over 50 plus 15, where x is greater than or equal to 0 but is less than or equal to 50. The tangent tk, this is the tangent tk to the curve y equal to h of x, this is the curve, at the point k comma h of k is shown on the following diagram. Sapat A's question is find the gradient of tk in terms of k. Okay, so gradient of tk will be the gradient of this curve at this point where x equal to k, so we have to get the first derivative. So gradient of tk is equal to gradient of h of x at point k comma h of k. Okay, so let us first find the first derivative expression of h of x. So it is h prime of x will be equal to 15 is the coefficient, so it will be staying, and then the derivative of cos, it is a composite function, so derivative of cos is negative sign, so we will be writing negative sign pi x over 50, and then finally we will be differentiating this pi x over 50, so we will be getting pi over 50 and plus 15, this is a constant, so its derivative will be equal to 0. So this is equal to negative 15 pi over 50 sine pi x over 50, and these two can be cancelled. Let us divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5, so it will be 3 and this will be 10. So it is negative 3 pi over 10 sine pi x over 50. Okay, and then therefore gradient of tk is equal to h prime of k when x equal to k is equal to negative 3 pi over 10 sine pi k, in place of x we will be writing k, so pi k over 50. Okay, so this is the answer for the part A. Okay, consider the case where the angle between tk and the x-axis is pi over 8 radians. Now pi over 8 is obviously an acute angle, you should be sure, but anyway I am showing. Pi is 180 degrees, so 180 degrees divided by 8, so this will be 216, another 2 and 4 is the remaining, so 0.40, so it will be 0.5, 22.5 degrees. Okay, so this is an acute angle, and you can straight away see this is the tangent tk and this is the x-axis, so this will be the angle pi over 8. Okay, and fine, the part B's question is find the possible values of k. Okay, and since they have given this angle, we can think about the gradients, because otherwise, what is the significance of giving this angle? Okay, and what is the trigonometric formula for the gradient of a line? It is the tangent of tan of the angle between the line and the positive side of the x-axis. So this is the angle. So tan theta, where theta is this angle, is the gradient of this line tk, the tangent tk. And what is the value of this theta? This pi over 8 plus theta is equal to pi, 180 degrees. So theta has to be equal to pi minus pi over 8. Okay. So part B, gradient of tk is equal to tan pi minus pi over 8 equal to tan 7 pi over 8. Okay. And we have also found the gradient of tk to be equal to this expression. So we can equate these two, this expression, to tan 7 pi over 8 to get the values of k, possible values of k. So therefore, k will be having more than one value. Okay. You have to read the question carefully. So therefore, tan 7, or let us write this part first. Therefore, negative 3 pi over 10 sine pi k over 50 is equal to tan 7 pi over 8. Okay, and we have to find the value of k. Do not use nsolve, because nsolve will be giving you only a single value. You need more than one value for k. So let us go for graphs. Okay, and of course we have to use x in place of k because we will be graphing. And what can be the possible x values? It is between 0 and 50. Okay, so the calculator and graph, fine. So it is negative 3 times pi over 10 times sine pi. Instead of k, it will be x. So pi times x over 50. Okay, and you can graph these two separately, this one and this one separately, and you can get the intersection points. Or else you can write this equation as minus 3 pi over 10 sine pi k over 50 minus tan 7 pi over 8 equal to 0. And of course, many students will be asking me that can we write this as 3 pi over 10 sine pi k over 50 plus tan 7 pi over 8 equal to 0. Definitely you can write this as well. But since I have already inputted this minus sign over here, let me use this equation. I could have used this equation as well. Okay, let me draw a single graph. And so I'll be adding this minus tan 7 pi over 8. So minus tan 7 times pi over 8 and enter. Okay, so you may be seeing there is only a single 0, because if you use this equation, then you have to go for the intersection points. But if you use any of these two, you have to search for the zeros. And over here, you can see there is only a single 0, but we have to change the window settings because x values are between 0 and 50. And y values, I'm seeing I can take the y values between -2 to +2. Okay, so window settings, this one x min I can keep it as -1 just to see the y axis, and this one I can keep it as 51 x max, and y min, let me keep this as -2, and y max is +2. Okay, now you see you are getting two zeros and we have to read the zeros. So therefore, menu, analyze graph, and zero, and this is the first zero, and zero again, and this is the second zero. Okay, so the k values correct to three significant figures will be 7.24 and 42.8. Okay, so therefore, using GDC graphs, the question carries only 3 marks, so you don't have to give the graphs, a rough sketch of the graph. I don't think it will be needed because you have given this information, you have given this equation, and you are giving the values, the two values, that will be more than enough. So using GDC graphs, k is equal to 7.24 or k is equal to 42.8, correct to three significant figures. Let us check once more. 7.24 and 42.8. Okay. So this is the answer for the subpart B. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video in case you have liked my explanation. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you have not subscribed to my channel till now. Your liking, sharing, and subscribing will be really helping me a lot. We meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving question number 6 of the same paper. Till then, bye.